Hey everybody, it's me, Mrs. Salazar, and I want to talk to you about some quadratic equations that we have been looking at in our Algebra 2 book for honors. So the first thing is, when we're dealing with a quadratic equation, the graph is going to be a parabola. And we don't always like graphing parabolas by making a table. Like if we made a table from -5 to +5, you have to substitute every single one of those numbers to find what the y-coordinate is. So we have learned some shortcuts. Now let's just talk about some of those shortcuts. So the first shortcut we learned is how to go from standard form to factored form. And then we're given our roots, and then we use the line of symmetry equation to find the vertex. But all of it requires some work. So let's just talk about the different types of equations. The first equation that we dealt with is the standard form, y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. In this standard form, we can find the y-intercept easily by just looking at the c. That's where it crosses the y-axis. We also have dealt with factor form, y equals a times x plus b times x plus c. On that one, we are given the roots right away. So the roots are the opposite of this b and the opposite of that c, which is what I wrote right here, -b and -c. And then the last form we have is the vertex form, y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. The vertex is found by looking at the h and the k. You take the opposite of h for your x-coordinate, and you just leave the k exactly how it is. And that's your vertex. So each one of these has a little shortcut that you can see right away. None of them are better, none of them are worse. You can go from standard form to factored form by factoring using the box and diamond. You can go from standard form to vertex form by completing the square. And you can go from factored form to standard form by multiplying it out. Okay, so they all have their uses. In Algebra 1, we mostly use these two. In Algebra 2, you will mostly use this one. All right, thank you, everybody. If you have any questions, leave me a comment on Google Classroom or email me. All right, have a good day. Bye.